just learned something super cool today that allows you to test the market for a house that you haven't even put on the market yet. The feature in one of my tools, and I'm going to show you how this works. Essentially, you're creating a test. So you start by selecting a property class. And I'm going to put in the address. Okay. City, San Jose. So I've entered in all the parameters here, basically the address, a potential list price, city of San Jose, zip code, area. We need to select an area. Some valley. And then we're going to submit lot size, living area. So here are the results. I have access to 228 potential buyers. 1 are in my database, 49 are clients in my brokerage, and 178 are buyers in my network. And this is just showing you the market activity in that area in terms of what's sold, in contract, for sale, that kind of thing. This is really interesting. This will help in the marketing. This is talking about the top 10 features wanted by these buyers that have been identified in the database. So things like hardwood floor, access to 101, dual pane windows, high ceilings, stainless steel appliances, near supermarket, granite countertops. So very powerful. And then this is also extremely interesting. This is showing you the potential buyers by price point. Okay, so this is $899, what I put in there, 234 buyers. And then if we jump up a little less than $10,000, it drops down to 176 buyers, 174 buyers, which is $19,000 more. 925, 925,000, 934,000, 943,000, 952,000, and 962. So this is really helping you target the market and also be able to specifically identify buyers.